What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, man, Wavy Noob. And I used to be a noob. Now I'm a finesser of the wave game. It's like, nah, but listen, to cut all the funny shit, look, I haven't posted a video in about, I don't even know, to be honest. Look, I've been doing some real life shit. Y'all know how real life catches up to you. You know what I mean? You don't got time to do things that you want to, and you thinking about it, but you're like, nah, you feel me? But anyway, I've been relocated. I've been getting to the bag, man. I got 2 jobs, man. One full-time, one part-time. Stuff like that, man. You already know how we rocking, man. We getting to the bag, and the bag only. But listen, y'all. When I tell y'all, we just copped some heat. Oh yeah, we just copped some heat, fellas. This is strictly what this video is for. I remember my last video, I was telling y'all about how I was changing my wave pattern and stuff like that. I'm not even going to show y'all the waves because this wave video is not about the waves right now. Alright? This wave video is about this heat, fellas. Now, I'm about to show y'all something, man. Don't get too excited. Some of y'all already know what's up when y'all see it. Like, y'all gonna, oh, okay, I know exactly where you at. Some of y'all gonna know. Some of y'all gonna be like, wow, okay, alright. But let me show y'all something, man. Are y'all ready for this? I don't even think y'all ready for this. I'm sorry, I gotta hold up the camera. I got no, excuse me, I got no, whoa, did y'all even see that? Uh-oh. But look, sorry, I'm holding up the camera. If the camera angles look crazy, you know, it's cause I have no stand right now. So I'm gonna have to do this manually. But listen, y'all. Some of y'all already know what's up, man. Get a closer look on that. Can we zoom in on that a little bit? There we go. Look at that, y'all. That thing is icy. That thing right there is icy. Woo! Shout out to Brush King. Haha. Listen, brushking.org. BRUSH. King.org, fellas. It's catchy. You gotta catch it while it's open. You gotta catch the site while it's open, man, because he gets to the bag for sure, man. I respect his grind. He changed the wave game, man. He changed the wave game for me personally, and I respect him. Shout out to that man. If you watch this video, appreciate you, brother. But listen, this right here, I forgot the name of the brush, honestly. I just bought it, like, speaking of just bought it, I bought this thing 3 days ago. It came in 3 days. Fast shipping, quality shipping, know what I mean? Brushking.org, man. But yeah, man, it's a royalty brush. All the purple bristles that you see are hard, and then the inside right there is medium. So it's a hard and medium brush. I'm gonna figure out the name. I gotta go look at the box, and so I can give y'all the correct name. But yo, this thing is so beautiful. This is my new baby. Like, listen, y'all. Listen, y'all. Torino Pro. Y'all already know what's up, man. Torino Pro. You know what I'm saying? We do this. We take the waves serious, man. Everyone that's on the channel, everyone that's trying to get waves, y'all gotta take this thing serious. Alright? But I just wanted to show y'all that. I'm gonna show y'all what products I'm using right now. I know my hair's kinda low, but I'm still using the Cold Label, man. It's quality. I gotta cop up some more. There's so much I want to say about this product, man. But those of you that already use it, stuff like that, y'all should already know what this thing is about, man. This is my everything right now. This is what gets me by. Like, it's my everything. Bro, I got so souped. It came today, y'all. Listen, man, this is gonna be when my hair is long enough for me to brush with it, but it still hurts. So I'm gonna stick to the Torino. I got another Torino. You know what I mean? I always gotta have two brushes, not one, but two brushes on you. You know what I'm saying? Just in case the one goes down, or you want to use the one in something else, a shower brush or whatever the case may be. High quality brushing at all times. If you waving and you don't have a high quality brush yet. Like, look at this. This right here, Softy. It was an Annie. It had the name on it and everything. I had this for like 2 years. Quality is you know, Softies get the job done, so you gotta use them. But quality is what you want for your waves. If you're not brushing your hair with quality brushes, why are you getting waves? Like, what is the point? What is the point? But anyway, y'all, I'm going to end this video here, man. Wavy Finessa, man. Follow me. Subscribe. You already know I got more wave videos coming soon. I can't wait to show y'all this new pattern. Because this new pattern is going to be so... I really fixed my hairstyle. And I could already tell at a low length that my hairstyle is going to be pretty nice. My wave pattern is going to be pretty nice. So, I'm going to show y'all probably, I'm going to upload a couple videos probably in the next month or so. Well, not the next month, but in the next couple of weeks, showing y'all the brush method, how I brush, night method, a couple other videos I'm not going to ruin, but it's your boy, Wavy Finesser, and I'm out.